Welcome to the top best. The best stucco anchors is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of outdoor construction and renovation. Whether you're hanging a sign, installing a light fixture, or mounting a security camera, the right anchors are essential for a secure and lasting hold. In this video, we'll dive into the world of stucco anchors, exploring their types, uses, and how to choose the perfect ones for your specific needs. Number 5. Anchors and Screws Assortment Kit with Drill Bits. This kit includes 180 pieces, with various sizes of anchors and screws. It also comes with 2 drill bits. It's a great value pack for your different needs. The blue concrete anchors are made of high-strength, eco-friendly PE material. The screws are galvanized, making them resistant to rust and corrosion. They are built to last. These anchors can hold up to 75 pounds. They are suitable for plaster walls, concrete, masonry, brick, and tile. Once installed, they hold very firmly. The kit includes the correct drill bits for pre-drilling. You can easily place them with an impact driver. Simply hammer in the anchors, thread the screw, and tighten it. Perfect for small jobs around your home. You can use them in your room, bathroom, kitchen, hallway, or living room. They are sturdy enough for shelves and art pieces. What we like. This kit offers a fantastic value with a wide variety of anchors and screws. It's made with durable materials, ensuring longevity and reliability. If you're working on multiple small projects around the house, this kit provides everything you need in one convenient package, making it the perfect all-in-one solution. What people say. Excellent drill bits and anchors to use on brick. The anchors hold securely in concrete, brick, and stucco, making them great for both indoor and outdoor projects. Installation was straightforward, and the screws feel sturdy and durable. Number 4. KURUI Wall Anchors and Screws Assortment Kit. This kit includes everything you need for secure hanging. It comes with concrete drill bits, masonry anchors, and galvanized screws. It's a complete solution for various projects. The anchors and screws are made of high-quality materials. The screws are made of high-strength carbon steel, and the anchors are made of new PE material. This ensures they are resistant to rust, corrosion, and aging. Installation is simple and convenient. First, drill holes using the included drill bits. Then, insert the anchors and screw in the screws. It's designed to be user-friendly. These anchors are suitable for various surfaces. You can use them on brick walls, concrete walls, drywalls, and wooden walls. They are perfect for hanging items like doorbells and picture frames. The kit includes a clear plastic storage box. This helps you keep everything organized and easy to find. The box also saves space. The package includes drill bits, wall anchors, Phillips head galvanized screws, and a durable storage box. It's designed to provide you with the best shopping experience. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. What we like. This kit is built with strong, rust-resistant materials, ensuring your installations last. The included drill bits make installation a breeze. If you value organization and ease of use, this kit's clear storage box will keep everything tidy and accessible, making your projects more efficient. What people say. Holds up heavy artwork on the walls without problems. They are definitely stronger than the plastic ones. They are certainly more sturdy and substantial than any of the plastic sheetrock anchors. Number 3. Klein Tools 53729 Conical Anchor Kit. Introducing the Klein Tools 53729 Conical Anchor Kit. This kit is designed for both drywall and masonry applications, providing a secure hold for your screws. The kit includes 100 conical anchors and 100 number 10x 1-inch screws. It provides everything you need to get the job done right the first time. Also included is a number 2 Phillips and a 1/4-inch masonry drill bit. This ensures you have the correct tools for installation. The lightweight anchor holds the screw securely in place. It's a reliable solution for various projects. This kit is perfect for use on drywall or masonry. It's a versatile solution for your anchoring needs. What we like. This kit features a lightweight anchor that securely holds screws in place. It comes with a masonry drill bit, saving you a trip to the hardware store. If you're working on smaller projects and need a simple, reliable solution for both drywall and masonry, this is a great choice. What people say. The anchors are very strong and hold well. They are easy to install and work great. These anchors are exactly what I needed to hang outdoor lights on stucco. Number 2. ITW Brands 31810 Stucco Anchor. This is the ITW Brands 31810 Stucco Anchor. It's designed for durability and reliability. You can count on it for your projects. Made from steel, this anchor is built to last. It's a strong and dependable choice for various applications. The zinc coating provides added protection. This helps to prevent corrosion, ensuring a longer lifespan for the anchor. The anchor measures 3/16 x 1:1:2. This size is suitable for many different tasks. It features a round head and Phillips design. This makes installation straightforward and efficient. The model number is 31810. This product is from ITW Brands, a trusted name in construction supplies. What we like. These anchors are highly durable, designed to withstand the elements. The zinc coating provides excellent corrosion resistance. If you need a reliable, long-lasting anchor for outdoor applications, this is a solid option. What people say. The anchors are well made and sturdy. They are easy to install. The design is effective for securing items to stucco. Number 1. Concrete Anchors Kit, 100 PCS with drill bit. This kit includes 100 concrete anchors and screws, crafted from premium materials. They are designed to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. The screws are made of carbon steel and galvanized, while the anchors are made of thick PE material. This combination provides exceptional durability and prevents wear and tear. The kit comes with a corresponding drill bit, making installation simple. You can easily drill the correct size hole, insert the anchor, and screw in the screw without any hassle. This kit is perfect for mounting items like doorbells, curtain rails, and picture frames. It's suitable for use on brick walls, concrete walls, drywall, and wooden walls. The drywall anchors and screws are neatly organized in a plastic grid box. This space-saving design makes it easy to use and store the screws and anchors. The package includes 100 wall screws, 100 wall screw anchors, and a corresponding drill bit. Everything you need is included for a straightforward installation process. What we like. This kit is made from premium, durable materials that resist rust and wear. It includes the correct drill bit for easy installation. If you appreciate a well-organized kit that's easy to use and store, this one is perfect for keeping your workspace tidy while providing a reliable solution for your projects. What people say. Great kit. Comes with everything you need except the drill. I used this on a wall made of concrete blocks. The drill bit it provides for drilling into the concrete works great. I recommend this product. The anchors work as expected and they should, the drill bit is exceptional. It had no issue drilling into concrete blocks that were filled with concrete during building construction, and the bit stayed sharp even after drilling 17 holes. To be clear, this is a box of wall anchors and screws that come with a decent enough masonry bit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.